Well, hi everybody, and welcome back to the Canning Nana. Well, today is Thursday now, a day later, and I'd like to show you the herbs that we dried yesterday on film. This top batch right here, this is some of the dried oregano on the branches, on the little twigs here. And I'm going to save that, and I may be grinding up the leaves for that. They were too little to just pull off. So I just dried them on here, and I'm going to be picking them off and adding them to the oregano that I grind up, which brings us to the leaves. Here is, let's see if I can get a clear picture. This is all the oregano right here, and going into the basil leaves that I dried. This is the dried cilantro. Nice. This is all dry, and it kept that nice bright green color. Here are the dried onions, and the tiny, tiny little amount of mint that I dried that I'm going to be making some tea out of. And added, I've got lots more tea leaves, mint leaves for tea. So I'm going to add that to my little jar of mint. I decided to only pick that much because I have so much already done. So let's see. These are the containers I'm going to be putting them in for now. One big one for the oregano until I grind it up. This small these little jars. This will be for the basil and for some of the cilantro. Let's get back to doing this. Okay, so here I put the little bit of basil I had and mixed it in with the oregano. So when I grind this, it's already going to have the oregano in it, and I'll be grinding up some garlic and adding it to some of the oregano and making my own little seasoning. Italian blend seasoning. So you can see one of the little basil leaves right there. That green leaf. You can totally tell which are the basil and which are the oregano. Okay, and here I am getting the green onions, the chives off of here, and I'm thinking about just blending this all together since I don't have a whole lot. And it did get kind of mixed up because I did mix it up, and I shouldn't have. I should have done trays of one and then trays of another, but I didn't because I didn't have enough to fill trays. So I think what I'm going to do, besides the mint, is mix all this up into one seasoning blend. The onions, the cilantro, and then the basil and the oregano. And I just got to pick all of this mint out and put it into my mint jar. Now, to make this easy, to put it into the funnel with the jar, I'm just going to, and I need two hands so I really can't show this on camera, but these sheets lift right up. So what I'm going to do is pour them right into the funnel so that they go right into the jar. And I will be crushing these into a seasoning. I decided to do the cilantro and the onion together, and the oregano and the basil together. And when I dry and grind some garlic, I'm going to add that to my oregano and basil for a seasoning. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other ideas that you would like to see dehydrated or canned, just let me know in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you on our journeys together. Thank you for watching the Canning Nana. Bye-bye.